watching Nama channel.
Now we see chapter 2, polynomials. Now we see the definition for a polynomials. Before that I have to split the word polynomials into two, like poly plus nomials. So here a poly means many and then nomial means terms. So by using these two words, you conclude the definition of the polynomials. An expression which contains many terms is called a polynomial. So definition is an expression which contains many terms is called polynomials. So one of the expression which contains many terms, we say it as a polynomial. And following this, we have to see the type of polynomials. So this have a type of polynomials two, on the basis of terms and the basis of degree. Before we seeing the type of the polynomial, we have to see the definitions for expression and terms. Followingly, we have to see the definitions for expression and terms. First, we see the definition for terms. Definition for terms. So what is meant by terms? A term is a number. A term is a number or a variable. Term is a number or variable or combination of both. Combination of both is called a term is a number or combination of both. For example, here 5. So 5 is a number. So number we say it as a constant also. We say it as constant. A term is a constant or number or variable or combination of both. So I say 5. So 5 is a number and we say it is a constant 5 or a variable. Variable in the sense all the alphabetic letters we say it as a variable. For example, X, Y, these are all the variables. This is one of the terms. And another then combination of both like 5X, 5Y. So these are all one term, single term. This can be split out by the basic operation plus and minus. For example, 5 plus X, 5 plus 5Y, 5 plus 3Y, like that. So here this is one term, this is one term. This can be separated by the basic operation plus. So here two term is there. So now we see the definitions for terms. Next we move on to definitions for expression. So now we see the definition for expression. So an expression is nothing but an expression, it consists of one or more terms. An expression which consists one or more term. For example, 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3, here how many terms is there? 1, 2. So we say it as this is one of the expression. And by followingly, we move on to the types of polynomial. Types of polynomial, we have to split into two types. One is on the basis of terms, on the basis of degrees. Types of polynomials. So already I informed the polynomials we have to classify it on the basis of terms and the basis of degree. Polynomial, it can be classified into two types. One is on the basis of terms, and then another one is on the basis of degrees. So in a term, so is here the first one is a monomial, and second one is binomial, and then third one is trinomial. On the basis of degree, the first one is linear, and then second one is quadratic, and third one is cubic. So this is the types of polynomial: monomial, binomial, trinomial. So next on the following, we have to see elaborately what is meant by monomial, binomial, trinomial, and what is meant by linear, quadratic, cubic, and how we have to classify on the basis of terms, on the basis of degrees. So types of polynomial on the basis of terms. So here we have to see three. One is a monomial, binomial, and then trinomial. First we have to see monomial. So in the same way, polynomial, I have to split this word into two. That one is mono plus nomial. So here the mono is means one, and then nomial means terms. Now already we see the definitions for polynomial. You conclude that a poly plus nomial, poly means many and nomial means terms. The same way, mono means one and the nomial means terms. So what is the conclusion? What is the definitions for monomial? An expression, that is a monomial which contains an expression which contains only one term. An expression which contains only one term is called monomial. So only one term. So mono means one. So one term, it consists, we say it as monomial. For example, 5x, 8y, 3z, etc. And before that I am saying the types and all, polynomial expression is there. How you have to say the expression, this is the polynomial or not. So always the exponents of the polynomial is in a whole number. Just you keep it in your mind. Always the exponents of the polynomial is whole number of whole numbers. Not not only the whole number, we say that one is not a polynomial. So next we move on to the another type of binomial. So second one, binomial. The same way we have to split this bi plus nomial. Here bi in the sense two and the nomial terms. An expression which contains two terms, we say it as binomial. An expression which contains two terms is called binomial. So, two terms called a binomial. For example, 5x plus 3, 2y plus 8, 3z plus 6. So these are the, for example, this is a combination of variable and constant, and this is one of the constants. So two terms is there. So two terms, the combination of two terms, we say it as a binomial. It may be the expressions has 3p minus 2. And next we move on to trinomial. Third one, trinomial. So trinomial we have to split into two. Tri plus nomial. Here tri in the sense 3, and then this one is terms. So an expression which consists 3 terms, we say it as trinomial. An expression which consists 3 terms is called trinomial. So the important point, expression it consists of 3 terms is called a trinomial. So for example, so 3 terms in the sense it's a combination of both variable and constant or variable only. X plus x square plus 2x plus 3, and then y square minus 4y plus 2. So I have written y, x, x. So we say it as this is the polynomial with one variable. So after we seeing the types of polynomial, we have to see what is polynomials with one variable. So next we move on to types of polynomial on the basis of degree. So now we see the types of polynomial on the basis of degree. Before we seeing the types of polynomial on the basis of degree, first we know that what is meant by degree. Degree is not to measure the temperature. Here max, in this expression, we have to, how you have to find out the degree. And what is meant by degree? Degree is nothing but in an expression, the highest power in the expression, we say it is the degree of the polynomial. First we have to see the expressions contains the what is the highest power. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 5, whatever it is. So we have to see which is the highest power in this expression. We know that we find out, we take that as a degree of that expression. So first we see the definitions for degree. So degree, what is meant by degree? The degree of a polynomial is determined by the highest exponents that is with a variable. So the degree of a polynomial is determined. How we have to determine? So degree can be determined highest exponent that with a variable. So in an expression which contains a variable and then constant or combination of both. So already I told the highest power of the expression, we say it as the degree. How you determine the highest power? The highest power which can be mentioned in variable. For example, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here this is one of the expression polynomial with the variable x. So here we need to find out the power. This is 2 and this one 1 and this one is 0. How you say the constant, the degree of the constant is 0? Because you know that in already you studied in 8th standard, anything power 0 equal to 1. So because of that, what is the combination of variable is this 1x power 0. So now you conclude what is the degree of the constant is 0. So here which is the highest degree? 2 is the highest degree. That means 2 is the highest power. So we conclude the degree of the given expression is 2. Degree of the given expression is 2. Next, on the basis, we have to see the types of polynomial. And polynomial is a type of polynomial on the basis of degree. So first one, we say it as linear. What is meant by linear? So the basic form of linear expression, it is ax plus c. Already, how we find out the types? On the basis of degree. So now we have to write the power. Here the power is 1. Here it is 0 because c is the constant. So which is the highest power? 1. Highest power is 1. So we find out the degree of the given expression is 1. So we conclude that an expression which contains the highest power is 1, we say it as a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial which consists degree 1. So linear polynomial degree 1. As well as second one, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Already you say that one term means monomial, two term means binomial, three term means trinomial. As the same way, the power is 1, the degree is 1. Linear. So what is the expression for quadratic? The degree of the expression is 2. We say it as quadratic polynomial. The basic formulation as ax square plus bx plus c. So here the power is 2, here 1, here 0. So which is the highest power? 2. The degree of the expression is 2. So this one we say it as a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial which consists degree 2. So quadratic polynomial means we consider the degree 2. Next we move on to cubic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial, the basic form written as ax cube, bx square, cx plus d. Here d is the constant. We mentioned the power. So here 3 and 2 and 1 and 0. So which is the highest degree? Highest power is 3, and we mentioned 3 is the degree of the polynomial. So an expression which contains degree 3, we say it as a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial which consists degree 3. Which consists degree 3. So next we move on to a polynomial with one variable. You say the polynomial with one variable. Here you see this is one of the polynomial. What is the variable here? X. So all the terms which contains except the concept, remaining terms which contains the variable x. And before that, always the polynomial exponent of the variable, that is exponent. This is the exponent of the variable. Always a whole number, not in integers or not in any rational numbers are fraction. If it is exponents is in integers or fractions, that means integers like negative integers, and it should be a rational or fraction, we say it as that is not a polynomial. That is not under the polynomial, so we no need to consider about that polynomial. Types of polynomial, or types consist of terms, or type consist of degree, or type consist of a one variable. So always that expression, that exponents of the whole polynomial having a whole number as the exponents. If it is not, we say that not under the polynomial. We no need to consider about any type or any combination of the polynomial. So next we move on to polynomial with the one variables. Polynomial with the one variable. Polynomial with the one variable. Already I told polynomials having all the expressions which contains a one variable. So I write one a basic form, bx square plus cx plus d. Here x is the variable, and the degree and the exponent of this exponent is 2. This is your whole number, and this is the exponent is 1 and the whole number. We say it as this expression is under the polynomial, and also which contains only one variable. So this polynomial is which with one variable. So I show one for example. For example, 5x square plus 2x plus 3, 6x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, like this. These are all under the, not only the x, we take t or q, for example, 3t cube plus 4t square plus 2t plus 3. So this is one of the expression under the variable t. So all the terms which contains the variable t. So these are all the example polynomial with one variable. And next we have to show some example whether the polynomial with one variable or not. How to find out the polynomial with one variable or not? So I have to write some 3 examples. We have to show whether the polynomial with one variable or not. Before that, first of all, this is the expression under the polynomial or not. So first I write 5t square plus 2 root t. So this root 2 can be written in the form 5t square plus 2t power 1 by 2. So before that I told you the exponents of the given expression always a whole number. Here one of the power of the t is not in a whole number. So this is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. So no need to consider about this is the expression which contain t is the variable is under the one variable. No, this is not a polynomial because the condition doesn't satisfy because the exponents is not a whole number. This is not a polynomial. And next we move on to the second question. Solution 5 by x plus 2. So here I have to written 5, this x power 1 can be goes numerator x power minus 1 plus 2. So here you see the exponent, this one is 0 and the power is minus 1. This is the negative integers. Already I told only the whole number which consists the exponents, we say it as that is a polynomial. So this is the integer, this one is also a, this is not a polynomial. The first two questions doesn't satisfy the conditions for polynomial. Next we move on to the third question. 2p plus 3. Here 2p plus 3 there is no need to arrangement. 1 and this one is degree is 1 and this one is 0. So all are in a whole number. So because we finally this is a polynomial, it have only one variable. It's 2p only. So this is under the condition of polynomial. So it is a polynomial with one variable. Polynomial with one variable. So now students, you easily understand the exponents of the power, it is a negative integers or fraction type, that is not under the polynomial. So now today class we have to see what is meant by polynomial, and what is the definition for terms, and what is the definitions for expression, degree, and types of polynomial under terms and degree. Terms means monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then degrees means linear, quadratic, and then cubic. So and next polynomial with one variable with some examples. On this related this topic, I have to attach the worksheet. Just you see the video, throughout the video, and you have to finish that worksheet on the day itself. If you have any doubt, you clarify with in a separate call, or we have to interact with that Zoom app. Thank you.
Thank you for watching AHA நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு மறக்காம